Hi everyone, my name is Marek and I'm the founder of TEFL Equity Advocates and Academy. English has undergone a profound change. From a second or a foreign language, it has become the global means of communication, the lingua franca of the world. This means that most students are not learning English primarily to communicate with its native speakers. In fact, since about 80% of all interactions of all English users are non-native speakers, our students are much more likely to interact with other non-native speakers in multicultural and multilingual contexts where few or no native speakers will be present. But you might be wondering, what does this mean for ELT, for English language teaching? Well, among other things, it has some important implications for materials writing, for how the English language, its culture, its users, and the interactions between them are presented in coursebooks. Because if coursebooks are to adequately prepare our students for real and authentic interactions in English outside the classroom, we need materials that will reflect this global nature of the English language. Materials that will expose our learners to the diversity of the English language. Materials that will present students with examples of successful communication in English as a lingua franca or in international context, and equip them with appropriate strategies that will allow them to use English successfully in such context. We need materials that will go beyond static representations of cultures and help our students develop the necessary intercultural communicative skills that will allow them to use English effectively in cross-cultural communication. But how exactly do we go about this? To find out, come to my training session on the 9th of April at the Materials Writing Pre-Conference event at the IATEFL conference in Brighton this year, in which I'm going to present practical ideas that will help you write materials that reflect the global spread of the English language. Hope to see you there, and thanks a lot for listening.